Hello everyone and welcome to the another video where we are going to discuss about markets, especially Nifty, Bank Nifty levels and few stocks for tomorrow's trading session, that is 27th of October, Tuesday. So let's check on a daily time frame. This is a Bank Nifty daily time frame and a spot price chart. We have seen a couple of a neutral signal, or we call it a reversal signal. This is a good spinning candle. Again, one more spinning candle inside this candle. One bearish candle on Friday and follow up selling on Monday as well. So I'm giving here a very golden tip nugget here, that if your Friday is a bearish session, most probably Monday will followed by the Friday, and Monday will be also a bearish session. And today we have seen same. And if the Friday is a bullish session, then most probability is Monday will also going to be a bullish session. So ultimately, a lesson is a good Friday is followed by a good Monday, and bad Friday, which means a bearish Friday, will follow by a bearish Monday. So that's the golden nugget. And let's check the charts on. This is a bearish signal. Some kind of reversal was around in last week we have seen, and this is a selling. And let me check a smaller time frame. Here is a gap support here, and we can see this low will act as an important support in next couple of days. So let's check the view for Nifty Bank Index for tomorrow's trading session. So let me start with the high and low of today's trading session. So this is the low 23,867, and let me mark the high. High is here, the first candle 24,577 is the high. So these are the two levels of demand and supply for next trading session. And let me check the proper now level for important area of support. So before this low and below that low, here is a gap, and this is a small consolidation. So I really would like to place my support zone around 23,475. So this is the area of support for next trading session. And if I really want to mark the level of important area of resistance, then I would like to take a retracement of this swing, and the important area of resistance we are going to mark at 61%. Okay, for that, this is the line, and let me mark the level 24,420. Okay, so these are the two levels. Let me close the video and let me mark the write the levels also. So the important area of support and resistance, first is resistance is 24,420, and support is your 23,475. So these are the two levels of important area of support and resistance for the next trading session. Here it is. So now let's check on Nifty index now. So let me check the daily time frame, and as usual, on a Friday that was a spinning candle and the low has broken out, and we have seen a good selling pressure on today's trading session. So this is an engulfing big candle, and the low is around this zone, so which is a good area of support for Nifty index. So let me mark the levels. First, we will start with the high and low of today's trading session, 11,711, which is a high, and the low, the which is a low actually 11,711 is the low, and 26th high is here 11,942. This is the high and this is the low. Important area of demand and supply. So now let me mark the level for the support and resistance. Support will be, we will keep it as it is 11,660, because important area of swing low is placed here. So support will be the same, and for the resistance I'm going to check this retracement, so which comes around 11,875. So let me mark the level. 11,875. So this is the 61% golden ratio resistance, 11,875. So let me write the levels for support and resistance. So first we will write the resistance, and resistance is around 11,875, and the support is, we have kept as it is, and let me check the level, 11,660. 11,660 is the area of support. So you can check here 11,875 and 11,606. These are the two levels, important area of support resistance for Nifty index. So now let's check few stocks. For that, let me introduce the moving average also, and 15-minute time frame we have selected. The first stock for tomorrow's trading session would be a Tata Steel. Tata Steel has given a very good upside move, and we have seen this is multiple of support on a moving average. Support has been slightly breached here, but the important is this is a good uptrended stock on 15-minute time frame. So I really would like to go for a long side above this swing high, which is on 411. It is the area of above this 411 is the entry area as a buy. Keep your stop loss at this swing low, and you can expect the price around this zone. This is the resistance zone here, and next one is here. So Tata Steel is a bullish stock. Entry is above 411. Expecting a move here 417 and 425. Keep your stop loss at 402. Okay. So next stock is Tata Consumer, which is also our stock for stock watch episode number 36 also. I am giving the link in the I button. You can check also in detail analysis. For tomorrow's trading session, we have seen this is a good breakout of this trend line, and the breakout has been retested. The volumes are good on the breakout session, and then slightly this is a decline and volume is declining. Again, the strength is resuming this counter. You can keep enter around this market open and the market price. Keep your stop loss below this swing low here, the consolidation low, and expecting a price move. First is here around 484, and the next is around 494. It is for next trading session. So Tata Consumer Products is again bullish stock for tomorrow's trading session. Tata Steel is also stock listed as a bullish stock for tomorrow's trading session. So these are the few stocks we have discussed, and index levels we have also mentioned. So if you like the way we analyzing the market and levels for the next trading session, you can hit the like button. You can subscribe to my channel and wait for my another video. Thank you so much.